Turn me up. Yeah. Beautiful. Go. These cool niggas, gotta let them go. Gotta stand up. Time is now. Yeah. Where the fuck you gon' go? Where the fuck you gon' go? Where the money done and the bitches gone? Where the fuck you gon' go? When the real niggas turn your back on you, where the fuck you gon' go? Where the fuck you gon' go? Where the fuck, yeah. Back on the scene, American dreams will never be realized though. Cause you depended on the man to give you that lifestyle, ice style. Where the fuck you gon' go? When it's melting on the floor, nobody coming to your shows, and you sold out, you sell out. But wait, how can you deal with the hate? How can you live with the hate? How can you look in yourself in the mirror knowing that your whole life you've been a fake? Such a facade, all I'm a mirage. Sitting on black folks was your job, not to criticize the ones in charge. So them white folks are pulling your card, they pissed off. The wrong set, the ones that gave you your bad sets. Now they passed on you like a bad check. Should've stayed woke, but you overslept and they rang in your alarm. Your nigga wake up call is live in effect. They're destroying your neck, and they stopping the back so you got nothing left. Can never come back to the block that you rep. Even if you bring God in the flesh, cause you always played both sides of the fence. You left for your people to die in the trench. How many commas are back to the right instead of the left? Nigga, you paying the price. Your life is a roll up of dice until you see death. It's burning your soul every night. You thought you would get them brownie points and be accepted by them white folks. Little did you know that they laugh at you behind your back. Big facts, cause they knew you a rat. You see through. How can they be loyal to you when they see how you quick to sell out your own people, dummy? Yeah, where the fuck you gon' go? Where the fuck you gon' go? Where the fuck you gon' go? When the real ones turn your back on you, where the fuck you gon' go? Where the fuck you gon' go? Where the fuck, Lord? I just wanna be white, green, black, and Sudan. It is. All I want is all the nigga drinkers to give me a shot to be famous. All I need to do is act white, cause being too black is heinous. Too much. Hoping they don't smell the bullshit, that's why I walk tight with my anus. I confess. Hoping that you can save me. Please, I'm one of your favorites. I'm nothing like them niggas that you hate. I'm not. Just please take me back, I behave. Scared ass nigga, I'm blind, need braille ass nigga. I'm afraid to go to jail ass nigga. No warrior in your bounds, nigga.
As we gather here today, I'm here to let y'all know you cool niggas ain't free. No matter how many brownie points you want to get, they still won't fuck with you. They prefer that white meat. It may cost you your life to be black, so stay strapped, protect your family. Never compromise your integrity for a check. Get your own, but if you depend on them, they will own you forever.